So I thought you weren't after anything.
I couldn't help it. Gotta get some more plants. Always need more plants.
Welcome back. So we're at the Jinx Urban Plant Festival. A lot better weather for this one than up at Sand Springs. So we're just doing a little walking around and looking, talking to people. So I'll give you a look at what's going on. As you see in our greenhouse, it's really not a lot we're after. But it's good to get out and see people, especially when it's nice and sunny. Weather's great, and there's quite a crowd. So just let you look here for a minute. So when we get back to the house today, got some more work to do. There's always something on the list, so we'll see y'all back there.
Hey everybody, welcome back. We went to an herb festival earlier today. It was really fun. We got to hang out with some friends that we really don't see nearly enough anymore. Life gets busy and we haven't made the time like we should to spend with them. But now that we're home and it's warm and it's sunny, we're working on some projects. I thought I'd come out here and show you what John's up to. So I'm not sure if this is a project he really felt like we needed to do or if he just wanted a good excuse to play on the tractor, but we'll see. So what we're doing, we have some spots in the garden, this front garden, our neighborhood garden, but the Bermuda is just really hard to fight. We're always constantly fighting it. But it's also where the mulch is a lot thinner. So we decided to shrink the garden down just a little in some areas where we didn't have anything perennial growing. And just move the mulch up and kind of make those areas thicker. Rework the walkways just a little bit easier. We're gonna actually end up putting some weed block on the walkways so we don't have to fight it there all the time. So hopefully this little project works and cuts down on having to fight the grass so much.
All right, so it's time to get the tomatoes in. So we got to get the trellis ready. We'll go ahead and get started on that. We've got T-posts. I had to go pick up some more cattle panels today, so we went and got those. We're going to put up a couple trellises here in the back garden, and then we're going to put one up out front in the neighborhood garden. So we got a little bit to get done here, and we'll let y'all watch along as we drive in some T-posts, hang some cattle panels. We'll plant however many tomatoes she can fit in there, and I think we're going to get some peppers out, and I'm not sure what else. I think she wanted to plant some squash and pumpkins and stuff, so hopefully we can get all that done today. There's a chance of rain later today and tonight. Hopefully it's not storms, and it's just a good soaking rain, so we'll see what we can get done. it up there wherever we want.
You want it that close?
Well, pull it just a little bit.
Which way? This
Towards
way?
that way. Alright, so we got the trellises in the back set up here. If you can see this side, there's two of them tied together. They start about a foot off of the ground, and this one's curved, follows the swell, so it's on contour. Be all tomatoes on there. And then on this side, there's a single, so it kind of goes against the contour, gets up closer to the back of that swell, and then it comes out to clear the fruit trees on the ends. So it kind of creates a little bit of open pocket here in the middle, and we're trying to decide if we're going to plant in here. It is the clearest access to the 6-foot gate over there, so leaving an option to get something wide through here might be the way we need to go. So we might maybe put some seating right here, you know, have a couple little chairs in between a bunch of tomato plants. If we situate some cherry tomatoes or something right there within arm's reach, that might be a good idea. So and then those chairs could be moved out of the way if I need to take the wheelbarrow or something through here and get to that gate easily. So that forward thinking on a lot of this, you know, it's kind of half the fun. So just got these put up. Had some company come by, and people come by and buy some tomato plants. So We were out of the garden for just a little bit. We've got storms blowing up all around us. I know you can't tell, but this is Oklahoma springtime. It'll be sunny and nearly 90, and that's what gets them going. So dark clouds here and there, and the radar shows rain, so we're going to go ahead and get inside, or at least we're not going to start another project yet, so we may start on something that's quick and easy, but I'm not going to start working on the trellis out front just yet. We've still got a little bit of groundwork to square away with some of the stuff we did with the tractor before we decide exactly where that trellis needs to go. So we've got everything to do that. We just need to have everything and do it in the right steps. So I'm sure you'll see the next week be tomato plants out here, probably be some pepper plants also. We may intermix some peppers in with this. I'm going to plant some, as I think I said earlier, some squash and pumpkins, whatever, you know, along the swales up on the berms. So there'll be a lot happening in a short period of time. Didn't get quite as far as we wanted today, but everything we did was productive, so that's all right too. So I don't know. You got anything? She's hiding. So
Hi.
I don't know if you can. She's hiding in the shadow. I think she shows up.
Fun.
So
Hi everybody.
it is nice and warm today. I say warm. In the summer we'd be wishing for days like this. It's probably around 80, I guess.
It feels hot.
Yeah, it feels hot in the sun.
Nice and cool, and now it feels really hot, but I know I'll regret those words come August when it's 110, 115.
Yeah, so it's really not that bad. You get in the shade and it feels like a totally different place. So, but I think it's about time to start planning for some dinner and get ready to start the week back in the real world. So we'll catch y'all later. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends. Appreciate y'all coming by. You know, we'll try to get out more videos every week than just the one. Try to get two when we can, but there's a lot going on, and you know, it takes quite a bit of time. So, but I guess we'll see y'all again next time.
Bye.
Bye.